Assalamu alaikum. Today we'll learn an easy way how to merge data sets. Suppose I have five data sets where I have an Excel file and four others are CSV files, and it is our main file where we will merge the later data sets. Okay, so how we will do using PowerQuery? For this, suppose we take a blank sheet. From here, first of all, we have to get the data. As our first file is main file is Excel, so we will take the main file first. It is our main file, an Excel file. Then we'll do here an import from the folder. Okay, it's coming. Yes. Okay, it is in sheet 1. Now I will transform that. Okay. Okay, here is my data set. Okay, here is country, ISO code year, population. Now for merge data, I will go to the new source. And from here, I'll take the now CSV as our later datasets are CSV files. First of all, I'll take the A dataset, then I'll give import. Okay, it's coming. Now I'll give OK. See, now I have two queries actually. So I want to merge queries, right? As I want to merge in our main file, so I'll select this, the sheet 1, and from here I'll go to merge queries. Okay, it's coming. So I'll merge with sheet 1 and the A file with the sheet 1. How I'll do it? Look, I have here common is country code and year. Actually here the ISO code and the country code is the same, so don't get confused. So I'll have to do this. How I'll do this? As I have to select two columns. For this I'll click on control and first of all ISO code, then year. Look, 1 and 2. And from the A dataset, again, I have to first select country code and then year. Okay, 1 and 2. And our joint condition left outer means all the dataset from the first one and the matching from the second. Okay, now I'll give OK. From here in table, I'll click on just value because I don't want the year and country code, I just the value. And I will click this because as our so by this our dataset will be a prefix name will be okay. Let's see here a dot value, our value column is come and a with the prefix. Look, there the dataset. Now I have also b, c and d datasets. For this I will go to text csv and then I'll click b and I'll import it. Okay, it's coming. Now what I'll do, first okay, it came. Look here now what I have three datasets and I want to merge in the sheet 1. Okay, and now I select sheet 1 and then we'll go merge queries, and now look again the same. Now I'll choose B. How again? I'll choose ISO code, then year, and here in country code and then year. Okay, now the same left outer all from first and matching from second. I'll click OK. Look, it came now from the I'll expand it and then I'll just select value, just value. Okay, look, I just the values come from the b data set. Understand? Eventually I can do this for c and d. I'll go to text csv file and then I'll select c, then I'll take import. It's coming. It's taking time. Okay, now look, I have four queries. I'll click again sheet 1 as I want to it main data set. Now I'll click on merge queries and here I'll click C and again ISO code, then year, then again here ISO country code, then year, and all left outer. Okay, now here from expand I'll just select value. If I don't use this, what will happen? Look, I just have value, not av, just value came. Okay, so you can actually do like this. So this is how we can merge datasets in one file. Now what we have to do is now we'll go there, uh, close and load to, and see what's coming. Okay, we want is a text in the existing worksheet actually, but it's not working. It's okay. I'll checking as okay. We are taking this in a new worksheet. Okay, it's coming. Look, all the data sets are now coming one by one. So actually find our data set B A sheet 1, and that's the our there's nothing. Okay, so we can delete this actually as there's nothing. So here our data set, look, country, year, ISO code, then population, then a dot value, b dot value, and the value from the C. Okay, that's how we can merge our data set in one file. Thank you.